How to turn off travel mode on Bumble. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to turn off travel mode on Bumble. So if you don't know how to do this, I sure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you're going to do is to install the Bumble app on your mobile phone. Then after installing, you open it on your mobile phone. This is what you're going to see. At the top left corner, you see those three lines. You can click on it. Then here you'll be asked to choose the location. Is either you choose the date location or the BFF location. So you have to just choose one of these locations. So if you choose the date location, you'll be saying on Boom as available for a date. If you choose the BFF location on Boom, you'll be seen as someone that just wants to make friends and find community. So it's very essential that you choose a connection so that you would create a point of connection with others on Boom Boom. So Boom Boom is basically an app for online dating, online relationship, and online friendship. So at the top right corner, you see the settings icon. You can click on it to know what it is about. So you also see the round circle showing your picture and your age with your name also. So you can scroll up the home page to know what it's about. So you just have an overview of the things you would get to enjoy on Boom Boom. So back to the question, how to turn off travel mode. So you just click on the settings icon that is at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you scroll down the page till you get to travel. Travel is just after the location option. Okay, so you click on travel. Once you click on travel, a drop down will be displayed on your screen. So it means you would have turned off your travel mode will be on before you can turn it off. Here my travel mode is not on. So if your travel mode is on, it means you've subscribed to the premium offer on Boom Boom. Here I have not subscribed, so I could not turn on my travel mode. But for you, you should have subscribed already. And just in front of your travel, you see the option, you see the on button. You see that it's on. So you can just simply click on the button to turn it off. So it's very simple. So just open your app. Then at the top right corner, you see the settings icon. You click on the settings icon. Then you scroll down till you get to the travel. So travel is just after location. Then you simply turn it off using clicking on the button just in front of travel. Okay, so it's very simple. So this is simply how to turn off travel mode on Boom Boom. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.